Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the file name. So first, all you got to do is go to the folder where you want to change the name of your files. As you can see, I have 3 photos here in JPEG format. And then all you have to do is click on the name right here. As you can see, it is highlighted. And then I just click on the text right here. As you can see, it has highlighted in blue on the area where it needs to be changed. So for example, for this file, I'll call it My Cup Overflows, as that is what I want to change for this file name. And now over here, you notice it says JPG. You definitely want to leave that. As that will indicate what kind of file it is. There are many types of different files out there. For example, you can see a JPEG file, which is JPG. You can see a PNG file or a PDF, which is probably the most common that you'll see. So you will definitely want to keep this area, and usually it'll be like .jpg or .png .pdf. So I would just leave that to indicate what kind of file that is. So again, it'll be .jpg or .png depending on what kind of file it is. For this example, since it is a JPEG file, it'll be .jpg, as you can see right here. Now, going back to this, I'll leave this one here. It says My Cup Overflows. That's the name I want. So let's go to this second cup right here. As you can see, it is another strange, text with numbers and just random letters. And let's say I want to change it. So instead of just clicking on the area right here to highlight it, you can also just right click it. And you could definitely just go to rename. As you can see, it is highlighted again. And I'll just change his name right now. And I'll call it Lion Mug. Click outside this area, and as you can see, it is changed to lionmug.jpg. Now let's just do one more. You can right click, rename, or just highlight the area, and you can change the file. So I'll call this Golden Lion. Capitalize that. .png.